Great Nigerian citizens all over the world. Respect. This message now for the Nigerian youth, A to Z. Abeg, I wan go ask our parents question. Wetin do them till today? Wey be say they see dey hawk something for head, they say age of 60 years, 75 years, 80 years. Wetin do them till today? If you when you dey follow politician dey collect money for politician hand, because say hungry dey catch you, they don use hungry catch us before, they don make us poor. Because say hungry dey catch you, wey dey collect money for politician hand. Na so your future go still be if you come old too. Na so e be. Because people wey you dey collect money for them, na only one day belle, when you put something for mouth for that one day, na they value you for. Na they value you for, they no value you for anything. When you go ask them, wetin make them be like that? Na so e be. Mama wey reach 60 years, wey reach 50 years too, wey reach 65 years, wey dey carry banner for politician because they can't give am money, because they give them money for 5,000, and you dey suffer yourself, dey strain your pikin for school. Later pikin no still work. You say wish dey do you. Say na family. Wish you no get anybody time. Now you sell the pikin future by yourself. Now you sell am by yourself. If you not get sense, if sense dey, and I go know say person wey come, when they use money dey brace am and dey give am money. If you enter any position, na that money wey don waste, na you go fit collect am. Person wey no plan future for us, now we dey follow up and down for Nigeria. Wetin dey happen? I want more part of us, more unite together. See, make I talk one thing. I'm sorry, make my video not too many. For Nigeria, they deceive us with religion and politics. These people make sure that Muslims and Christians will never unite, so that we cannot fight against them, and we can never stand for our rights. That is what they did. Now what did they do with that? But you, when you youth, age of 30 years, when you supposed to stand, say Oduduwa must go on your own, Biafra must go on your own, Arawa must go on your own. That's what you're supposed to talk for this age, because you don't make one people say, Agbaki Baloja, Ora must do go. Make old people there for the market, make people where they carry for back, make it head, make it on the bend. You say, old people know the market, make that thing happen. But it happen for Nigeria, and we don't get better leader. We don't get a better politician. We don't get better leader. For Igbo, for Hausa, for Yoruba, we don't get. We don't talk about Nigeria again. Make everybody go on your own. Make Oduduwa stand. Make Biafra stand. Make Arewa stand. If an account the fear, maybe say one thing, nothing go happen. Now your right you dey fight for. It's better you die like hero than you die like coward. More unite. People they don't send us. They don't send us. Nigerian politicians, they don't send us. On a good day, age of 60 years, it's supposed to be on that government. Which government they feed down? Age of 70 years, that's what it's supposed to be. If you enter some African country, in North Africa, or you enter Western world, now so they do things. Because they don't get power again. Fear we make our mama, our papa, where they call the tear firewood, age of 60 years, age of 75 years. Now you dey follow so where you dey collect money for politician hand. Now you dey follow so where you follow useless party. But on a way no one hear this thing. One I see the do am, one I dey do am dey collect money for politician hand. If you be youth, anything where you be, now Oguna go kill you if you no wan unite. You go unite, you make the country great. All the fucking politicians in Nigeria, they don't care about us. Now Oguna go kill them. The one where they do good for inside, now they too, God go bless them. The one where they fight for Oduduwa for inside, God go bless them. The one where they fight for Biafra for inside, God go bless them. The one where they fight for Arewa, God go bless them. You know the one where you stand, where say now waiting you want chop, you want make your 4 generation great. Make them no suffer. Inshallah, one by one, bunch of broom they lost, and I go lost for Nigeria. Go like your shimode. Olomi sleep again. Will I sleep for Boko? Now you go pure in Jesus' name, and so shall it be. And so shall it be, inshallah. I want to talk one word, but I not verse my people. You get one of our brother, we sing one music. I beg, make an listen to the music. I beg. The music, it makes sense for you. If you see now gradually by gradually, according to English, you see they start small. I remember I hear now. If you see for my video, I hear now. Great Nigeria,
great Oduduwa, great Biafra, great Arewa,